All right, third grade, this is for those of you that have liftoff. Then it says liftoff here at the top of your screen, just like you're seeing right here. If you have not finished my diagnostic, and there's several of them, okay? If you have not finished my diagnostic, you need to do that. There's 7 of them, okay? Some of them are reading, some of them are math. But today, if you have not done that, that's what you need to do, okay? Because if you have finished, then we're going to be working in my galaxies, okay? And this is just going to target things that you need some help with. So if you have finished your diagnostic up here, and all of your arrows will say done or completed. Sometimes they might say in progress. That means you started it, but you haven't finished it, and that's okay. I want you to go back and finish that. But if they're done, it'll say completed, and you won't be able to click this green arrow, and it'll give you an overall score. Now, when you're done with all of those, you're going to be able to do in my galaxies, and you have to complete the diagnostic above before participating or before practicing my galaxies. So you have to do that first. And then when you do this, I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the first thing that you can click and just practice on those things. And if you guys get done, this is a great place for you guys to practice math or practice reading, okay? So again, my diagnostic needs to be done first. This needs to be done first before you can do the My Galaxies.